students to Gyan Bharati Hindi High School, English Medium, Accounts 12th Standard, Chapter 1 Introduction to Partnership, Lecture number 2. Yesterday we studied why is partnership required for business and how it come into existence by partnership deed, and also we studied that capital is introduced by every partner. So when partners are introducing capital in the business, they are supposed to prepare capital account. So capital accounts for partner, it is prepared for each partner to record their individual transactions with the partnership frame. So as we know, different partners will bring different amount of capital into the frame, so that will be recorded differently. In the capital account, debit side will be reduction in capital, and in the credit side we will record initial capital and addition in the capital. Generally, to keep or to maintain capital accounts, there are two methods. First is fluctuating capital account method, and second is fixed capital account method. The basic difference in both the method is that the opening and closing balance are same and not same. So first we will study about fluctuating capital account method, which is also known as temporary capital account method. In this method, the opening balance and the closing balance of partners' capital is flexible. That is, opening balance of the capital and the closing balance of the capital will be different. It will be flexible. To record the transactions, only capital account is opened. So in fluctuating capital method, we will only open capital account to record every transactions related to capital, that is in increment or reduction of capital. The amount of capital and also its interest keep on changing. So as you know that opening and closing balance of the capital is different every time, so its interest amount will also change. The credit balance is shown at the capital liability side in the balance sheet. So after calculating, we find the difference. That is, if there is credit balance, we will record it in the capital liability side of the balance sheet, and for the debit balance, we will record in the asset side. Format of partners capital account. On the debit side, we know that balance brought forward, that is opening balance, will be recorded. Drawings of partners will also be recorded. Drawings will be included cash, bank and any assets. Other than this, interest on drawing will be recorded on the debit side. Profit and loss appropriation account, that is divisible loss, will also be recorded here. And balance carried forward, that is closing credit balance of capital amount, will be recorded here. While on the credit side, we can see opening balance of capital account is recorded. After that, any cash, bank or assets which are introduced or which are added is recorded here. Third, interest on capital is recorded. Any increment, that is by salary, bonus, commission or remuneration, is also recorded on the credit side. Divisible profit will be distributed over here, and the closing debit balance will be recorded here. Next method is fixed capital account method. So as the name suggests, fixed capital, the opening and closing balance will have no change. That is, the opening and closing will remain the same. So under it, there are two accounts to be maintained. First is partners capital account, and the second one is partners current account. So seeing the first one, partners capital account, generally the opening and closing balance in the partners capital account will remain same, but there can be change if and only if additional capital is introduced, that is some capital is brought or capital is withdrawn. That is, you will take away some capital or bring new capital, then and only then there will be change in the opening and closing balance of the capital. Rest all the entries will be recorded in the partners current account, that is other transactions then permanent capital will be recorded in this account. For closing balance, same as the fluctuating method, credit balance will be shown in capital and liability side of the balance sheet, and the debit balance will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Remember, if current account of partners is not given, so in the question, if and there is no specification of capital account, then it will be maintained by fluctuating capital account method. So in sums, when there is no specification of current account or it is not given that solve the sum by so and so method, so generally you will have to solve the sum by fluctuating capital account method. Just remember, if partner's current account amount is given, then you will be solving the sum by the fixed capital method. Format for partner's capital account. On the credit side, you can see the opening balance is brought forward. Any additional capital, that is by bank or by cash or any other asset is added, it will be recorded on the credit side. While we move to the debit side, to any cash, bank or any other asset which is reduced or which is withdrawn is written here, and the closing balance will be mentioned here. And for the partner's current account, as we can see, the other transactions than the permanent capital are recorded in the same form as it was recorded in the fluctuating capital method. On the credit side, we can see opening credit balance of current account is brought. After that, interest on capital, interest on credit balance of current account, then salary, bonus, commission, remuneration, divisible profit will be recorded here, and lastly the closing debit balance will be calculated. That is the difference. On the debit side, we can see opening debit balance of current account is recorded. After that, drawing account if there is any by cash, bank or any other assets. After that, interest on drawing, then interest on debit balance of current account, profit and loss appropriation account, that is divisible loss, will be calculated and mentioned here, and lastly the closing credit balance of current account will be recorded. Next is drawings account of partners. We know that goods, cash or assets withdrawn by the partner for personal use from the firm is known as drawings. So all the transactions for drawing will be recorded on the debit side of the drawing account, and if interest is to be calculated on the drawings, that will also be debited. At the end of the year, it is closed and the amount is debited according to the methods. If we are preparing fluctuating capital method, then the amount will be debited to partner's capital account, and if you are preparing the account by fixed capital method, then the amount will be debited in the current account.